Hey guys, I'm back again with another question on Codeforces. So this is a recent question on Codeforces coding constant Codeforces around 1040 division 2. Problem name is summation is all you need. So we will directly see the question. In this question, like you have given a multiset T consisting of non-negative integers, and then you have two operations that you can do, that is sum t and max t. So you need to take a subset from the given set, and after taking you can perform these two operations on that subset. So sum t will give the sum of all the elements present in that subset, and max t will give the smallest non-negative integer not in t. So here you can see it is giving 2 because 2 is not present, and that is the smallest non-negative integer which is not present in this set. And you can do this operation any number of time in any order, and you need to generate the maximum possible score that can be obtained. So score is the sum that by taking the subsets that you can generate the maximum possible sum using that set. So if you read this question, so you will come to know that the answer is basically wherever you have 0 you need to add 1, and others which are not 0 you just need to do the sum of those numbers. So this is the answer for that, because if any number you take in the set which is not 0, then the max t will give you 0 for that set. And if it is a non-negative number, like non-zero and non-negative number, so then it is better to perform the sum t, and you take each element one at a time. So if you do this question on pen and paper, I think you will get to the logic of this question. So moving towards one of the example, like if you see here, let's take this first example. So 3 is the, like, first 2 is the number of like sets which are given, and then 3 is in the first set you have 3 elements 0 1 1. So now you will perform any of these two operations, and after performing that operation you need to delete those elements from the given set. So see here, it is like you choose 0 1 as your first subset, and then you are performing max s, so that is giving you a score of 2. So first it is like you have uh, taken here it is in max you are getting 0 and 1. So non-negative smallest number which is not present in your set, so that is 2. And then after performing this max operation on s dash, you need to delete these two elements from your original set, and then you left with only one. So if you perform uh, max, then it will give you 0. So here you need to perform sum on the left one, so you will get another one, and the sum will become 3, and the your original set is now empty, so it is 5. So this is the operation, and if same thing you do with the second set where the set elements are 1 2 3. So here you need to I will say apply the sum, because if you apply max you will get 0 in each 3, so that will be like not the maximum sum that you are getting from the this set. So hope you have understood the logic. So code for this in C++ looks like this. So first I'm just taking t. So this is the number of test cases, and then answer t for storing the answer for each test case, and then for each test case I'm just taking input of the size of the array, and then I'm making an array, and then I'm taking a variable sum so that uh, I can store the score for that array. And then here I'm just performing the logic. If that element is 0, I'm adding 1 to it, because I'm doing max s. And if uh, it is a non-zero numbers, then I am performing the sum operation and I'm adding that to the sum. And at the end, when I iterated all through all the elements present in the array, so I'm just storing that sum in the answer, and at the end I'm just printing that answer array. So this is the whole code and logic for this question. I hope you have understood this problem and the code. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments. Thank you for watching my video.